Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. Have you spent years memorizing grammar rules, only to feel your brain freeze the moment you actually try to speak? It's a common frustration. But here is the truth, this is not a knowledge problem. It is a muscle memory problem. Your mouth simply has not been trained for the physical speed of real English conversation. Today, we are not just studying. We are rewiring your neural pathways to make speaking feel natural. As we go through these phrases, I want you to repeat after me out loud. We are moving from the basic mechanics of daily life to the complex logic of expert-level thought. If you want to stop translating in your head and start existing in English, let us begin. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. Could you pass me the salt, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? I have been learning English for 3 years. I have been learning English for 3 years. She always makes delicious breakfast for us. We are planning to go shopping this weekend. We are planning to go shopping this weekend. She explains difficult ideas very clearly. She explains difficult ideas very clearly. Culture shapes how we see the world. Culture shapes how we see the world. She questioned old thinking with new ideas. She questioned old thinking with new ideas. Notice the rhythm. It is not just about the words, it is about the flow between them. Like a professional athlete warming up, these simple sentences prepare your tongue for the more difficult architecture ahead. Once the foundation is set, we move to the cognitive bridge. This is where we handle friction, difficult situations, and changing plans. To speak fluently, you must learn to manage the language. They changed the appointment to next Monday. They changed the appointment to next Monday. She handled the difficult situation very well. She handled the difficult situation very well. We're trying new ways to save time. We're trying new ways to save time. We must be fair despite our opinions. We must be fair despite our opinions. He balanced everyone's different needs well. He balanced everyone's different needs well. This system helps us study social behavior. This system helps us study social behavior. This experience taught me important lessons. This experience taught me important lessons. I understand what you're trying to say. I understand what you're trying to say. The writer's arguments have doubtful assumptions. The writer's arguments have doubtful assumptions. When a sentence feels heavy, don't retreat. Slow it down. Repeat it. You are building English pathways in your brain that allow you to stay calm even under pressure. Now, we reach the final stage, the architect level. This is expert territory. Here, we stop talking about things and start talking about ideas, theories, and perspectives. This change makes us rethink our beliefs. This change makes us rethink our beliefs. The study disagrees with old theories. The study disagrees with old theories. The organization worked hard for policy changes. The organization worked hard for policy changes. This study shows small differences between similar ideas. This study shows small differences between similar ideas. Comparing different views is very helpful. Comparing different views is very helpful. We should avoid conclusions with little proof. We should avoid conclusions with little proof. The story shows past pain's effect on communities. The story shows past pain's effect on communities. I appreciate you thinking about difficult ideas. I appreciate you thinking about difficult ideas. Notice the shift. Your mouth is now moving through complex, multi-syllable concepts. This is how you win an argument, lead a meeting, or express your true perspective. You are no longer just speaking, you are shaping the world through your perspective. One session is a spark. But the echo blueprint only works through the rule of repetition. If you want these movements to become automatic, you have to come back, tomorrow, next week, until the English voice in your head becomes your primary voice. If this blueprint helped you today, click the like button and join our community of architects by subscribing. Comment below, which level felt more like you today, the foundation or the architect? Your journey to fluency isn't a sprint, it's a series of echoes. I'll see you in the next session.